Just like promised, here we go. Quick lightning round. First thing that comes to your mind. Favorite tech gadget?
It has to be my iPhone. I always have it with me and I'm always using it. Hmm.
Favorite book or TV show or movie?
Ooh, favorite book would have to be Moby Dick. I love the classics and that one really sits with me. I'm a big fan.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, but decaf.
Interesting.
Hmm.
Doesn't keep you up at night.
Yeah, exactly.
Most used keyboard shortcut?
Has to be the Shift Window S key for quick screenshots. I find when it comes to troubleshooting and sharing info, screenshots are a great way to do so, and I'm using it all the time.
One thing on your bucket list?
Probably to visit New Zealand.
What's one fun fact about you?
I love to bake sourdough. It's a big hobby of mine. I'm always doing it where I can, and yeah, I always love learning new ways to do it and improving my sourdough recipe.
I have to explore that with you at a later date. What's the most vintage piece of tech you own?
Yeah, so the most vintage piece of tech I own is actually a calculator, and you can see it right here. I've had this thing since the beginning of high school. I use it all the time. Any quick calculation, I always go to this first, and it's great. The battery has never been an issue, and it's always reliable for me.
Love it. The vintage calculator.